guys, welcome to this week's Fab in 5. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 products from Boxycharm that I've gotten in all of my Boxycharm boxes that I would actually repurchase. This is just basically me loving Boxycharm, wanting to share it with you guys, and even if you already are subscribed, this is a way for you guys to see the products that I've been loving. So number 1, the makeup eraser. It's a cloth basically that just removes makeup. It removes waterproof mascara, it removes liquid lipstick. The only thing that I found it doesn't remove is specific glitter. So you basically get the cloth wet and you just wipe your face. I find it's really, really gentle on my eyes. I did find when I was using actual makeup wipes would irritate my eyes. So this, you don't actually have any product going in your eyes. It's just water and the cloth. It is obviously going to be better for the environment. So the website says it lasts 3 to 5 years. I've only had mine for a little less than a year and it's still totally fine. Unless I find something that's better, I couldn't see me going back to makeup wipes. It's reusable. It's machine washable. I just throw it in with my towels and I just put it in the wash. I even put it in the dryer. So I usually wash it about once a week. It's obviously in the end going to be cheaper. I may be spending a little bit more, but this is going to last me 3 to 5 years, where a box of wipes would have lasted maybe 1 year and usually only like 6 months, depending on how often I'm using them. And I'd like to just get more to have on hand because they're that good. So the next product that I absolutely fell in love with is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. This is what it actually looks like. If you see up close, you can see the little bit of grit in there. So basically you apply a thin layer all over your face and you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I sometimes even let it sit 15 to 20 minutes if I like walking around doing stuff. It feels so nourishing and hydrating. It has a stunning smell. Now, if you don't like pumpkin, you won't like this. This smells like pumpkin. And it almost has a bit of like a citrusy scent, like it's like orange and like pumpkin. So there's 8 orange ingredients, like the color. So there's pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. So all are really natural, really good for you ingredients. So once you are done letting it sit on you then get your hands a little bit wet. When you start to rub it in, the actual beads, I believe, start to dissolve. And so when you're rubbing it in, you'll start to feel, it doesn't feel as gritty and it feels more smooth. It honestly leaves my skin feeling so stinking smooth. It's insane. This is my absolute favorite exfoliator because it doesn't strip my skin. It doesn't make my skin feel tight or itchy or dry. It actually does the opposite. It gets all that dead skin off. It helps, make your skin look smoother, feel smoother, but it also nourishes and hydrates the skin. So it is absolutely incredible. One thing that I love about Boxycharm is every month items in past boxes and even sometimes that certain month's box actually go on sale. And even if I can't find it on sale, I would repurchase this because it's that good. Like, it's that good. So the next product is another somewhat skincare product. And this is one that has a little bit of controversy around it. For some reason, I almost feel pressured to not like this, but I'm not gonna let that happen because I really, really love this and it's gonna just be up to you how you feel about it. So this is by Farmacy. It is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. The best cleansing balm I've ever used. It takes anything off. So you know how I was talking about that glitter that I can't take off with my makeup eraser cloth? This guy takes it off. They say that there's like plastic in it, but then I go on Sephora and it is a clean product by Sephora, and that's pretty, like, they have pretty high standards for that. Incredible product, the best cleansing balm. If you have trouble removing your makeup, grab this guy because it's that good. The next product is the Too Faced Born This Way. I know this is a product that is very well known and loved by so many people, but I, believe it or not, had never tried this guy. This is in the shade Pearl, but it was too dark for me and I loved the formula so much. I found myself wanting to use it, but it just wouldn't work with a lot of my foundation. So I actually went ahead and got it in the shade Snow, which is much better, you will see. It's a fantastic concealer. It's long wearing, full coverage, smoothing to the skin, doesn't get cakey or creasy. Number 5 is the Lily Lashes Mascara, which is called the Triple X Mascara. It is very, very voluminous. It does offer quite a bit of length as well. It's a pretty well-rounded mascara. And it is one of my favorite products that I've gotten from Boxycharm. Absolutely love Boxycharm. These are my top 5 products that I would repurchase. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.